Speech recognition. Please give orders. Although everybody wants to see me dance, how come there is no applause? Thank you. Initiate the infrared sensor. Energy charge completed. Prepare to set out at any time. Sir, any orders? Please give orders. I am going to bring out my holy grail. Watch carefully. Initiate the procedures and execute a command. Initiate the super laser gun. Fire! I am the most handsome when singing. Music. I've got a turn over the head. Baby, come on, get it. You know that somebody says I'm gonna get steady. So now the song goes down, down the phone. Turn around and down the trouble, man. I hear that you have an excellent eloquence. I want to challenge you.
Jack and Jill by Margaret Benny. If Jack had remembered, before he took Jill, to fill up her pail from a well on the hill,
Come on, let me tell a joke for you. Fun time.
Okay, who cut the food? A young man was visiting his girlfriend's parents for the first time. He had been quite nervous about it, and his nervousness was manifesting itself as gastric distress. Agonizing it, he felt the urgent need to release
Music. Although I have a mighty body, I am good at dancing as well. Hello, kids. How many traffic rules do you know? Let's learn together. Stop when red. Drive when green. Slow when yellow. Obey all traffic rules. Safety is very important.